Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to India Food Network. I'm Rupa Nabar here. Today I'm going to do a leftover chapati pizza. That sounds really exciting, and what happens is in the Indian household, chapati is a staple food and we tend to really make them sometimes extra, and then when they are left over we tend to throw them. But today I'm doing a leftover chapati pizza that your kids will not even realize it's done by a leftover chapati. So let's see how it's done. I've taken a chapati here on the board and I have some pizza sauce here. So apply a very thin layer, and then I have some bell peppers, the yellow bell peppers, and some baby corn which is cut into strips, and some cheese. That's pizza cheese I'm using here, which is grated. Just sprinkle it over. The pizza is done. I'm shifting it to the tray which I've taken, the oven tray, and I've preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. So we'll just let the tray go in till the cheese melts and the pizza is ready. The pizza is out from the oven, as you can see, and the cheese is melted well. Your kids are going to love it. When it gets cool, we'll cut it into wedges. If you have loved the recipe, please write in the comment box and like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.